Obviously, people borrow money for different kind of reasons, and that reasons are best known to them because people actually face different kind of issue on a daily basis. So we don't have to know why do they borrow money, and of course, if you are facing different kind of problems or issues and you have no other means, the next thing for you is to borrow money online. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing about 15 loan apps you can actually use to borrow money online. And with this app, we are going to tell in details and reviews that people are actually saying about each of these apps. The first loan app we'll be discussing in this video is Rent Money. What is Rent Money? Rent Money is a mobile app that allow you to request for loan, save, and also deposit for future use as well. And overall rating of this Rent Money app on Play Store is 3.4. I don't know if people don't actually give the best rating or they give their rating once they notice that they are facing one kind of issues on the app. All use loan apps for different reasons, and of course you can actually say anything you are experiencing about a loan app. And on Rent Money loan app, you can actually borrow as low as 10,000 naira. You can actually pay back after 6 weeks or 8 weeks, and this app doesn't request much about you, like your BVN address or ID card at all. So this is very easy app to collect loan on mobile apps, and you can actually find it easy to collect loan online. Number 2 is Fair Money. Fair Money allows you to borrow at least 10,000 naira, and the overall rating of this app is 4.40. This is very good, but people actually believe that for an app to be good, they are expecting at least 4.50 for overall rating, and this particular app actually have 4.4 rating, which is not actually bad, and overall rating is like is over 400,000 reviews on Play Store. And this app charge at least 3% low rate, and of course you can actually pay after 6 weeks or 10 weeks to pay back, and they don't request any collateral from you at all, and you can actually pay back before that exam month that they actually give you. And the funniest part about this app is that they won't call any of your relatives even if you don't pay as at that time. So they will keep on calling you with the number you actually provide when you're actually signing up to collect loan on the app. Number 3, Link Credit. Link Credit allows you to borrow from 10,000 naira to 300,000 naira and pay back after 3 months without any collateral at all. So you can actually use this app to collect loan anytime you want, but this particular app requests you to upload your BVN, ID card, and at home address. So for a easy traces if you don't pay as at when they actually expect you to pay their money. You know, there are different kind of people who are actually requesting money for use, and some actually want to use it for business. So they actually want to know why you are actually requesting for this loan, and who are you and what you do. So this app doesn't require any collateral at all, so it doesn't require any interest rate, but they actually want to give you loan because you actually request for it. Number 4 in this video is Cash Lion. Cash Lion allow you to borrow at least 10,000 to 100,000, and you cannot borrow more than that, or else you have high credit score if you are a salary earners which earn at least some exact monthly amount on a monthly basis. So they will allow you to borrow more money after the first one you have actually borrowed, and you cannot borrow money more than 20,000 on your first loan request on this particular app, and they actually charge 5% on any loan you request from the app. Number 5 in this video is Branch Loan App. Branch Loan App is well known, and people actually trust this app because you can actually borrow for up to like 1 million naira on this particular app, and you have to upload almost all your credentials because it can actually give you such money, because they believe that you want to use this kind of money to start up a business, and you can actually also borrow at least 50,000 naira from this app. and you need to upload your BVN, ID card, home address, and other relative information about it before they can actually give you a loan on this particular app. Number 6, Palm Credit. Palm Credit is also a great loan app that people have actually trust so far, and they have been in existence for over 2 years. And this app gives at least 50,000 to 300,000 loan requests, and you can actually pay back from 2 months to 3 months. It depends on how you or the kind of loan you actually request on this platform. So the more money you request, I think the more time you actually have to pay back, and as well the interest rate will keep on increasing. And if you don't pay back as at when due, the interest rate will keep on increasing because you do not pay back as at the time you actually promise to pay back. So this app also requests different information about you, such as your ID card, BVN, and home address as well. Number 7, X Credit. X Credit have rating of 4.2k on Google Play Store and have over 53,000 overall review on the platform. So I guess this app is actually useful, and they actually well trusted. Different people experience different kind of issue when they are actually collecting a loan. Maybe they want to request for a certain amount of loan, but the app doesn't give them. So they might actually give less than 5-star review so that the app can actually see what they need to improve on. And on this particular app, you can request for at least 300,000 naira loan, and you can actually pay back after 3 to 4 weeks. Number 8, Fast Money. Fast Money is rated over 4.7 reviews on Play Store and with 49,000 overall rating on the Play Store. And I guess this app is well useful, and if you are actually a student, this app is the right app for you to collect loan. Maybe you actually want to pay your school fees, your hostel, or anything related to your academic section. So this app is the right app for you to collect loan, and you can actually pay back after 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It just depends on each package you choose, and the package you choose will determine the interest rate that you will be charged on this particular app. Number 9, OK Naira. OK Naira is actually a new loan app you can actually use to request for money, and the lowest amount you can actually request on this OK app is 5,000 naira, and you can actually pay back after 1 month. And after this 1 month, if you don't pay back, your interest rate will keep on increasing so far you did not follow the agreement time. So you have to pay back as at when due to avoid this kind of issue. And this app actually requests you to submit your ID card, BVN, and home address as well. But 10, Whocash. Whocash have over 80,000 reviews on Google Play Store with 4.3 overall rating. This is not actually bad because people are actually using this app. As you can see, it's actually different from all the apps we have been mentioning so far. So the Whocash is trusted and safe and reliable loan apps you can actually use to collect loan online with low interest rate, because this app charge at least 3% of interest rate, which you can actually use, and it's kind of like very cheap, but it's actually based on the kind of amount you're actually requesting on this loan app. Number 11, Quick Check. Quick Check have over 137,000 reviews, and the overall rating is 4.5. I guess this is above all the apps we have been reviewing so far. So this loan app is rated over 4.5 with 137,000 reviews. So definitely people are actually dropping reviews on this particular app because it's actually paying well for everyone who is actually requesting for loan on this particular app. And the lowest amount you can actually request on this Quick Check app is 10,000 naira, and you can actually pay back as at when due based on the package you choose. So some people got request for loan of 10,000 naira and want to pay back after 2 months. The more the time, so the more the interest rate will actually increase. Number 12, iMoney Instant Digital Loan Apps. This app is rated over 4.3 and the overall rating so far is 36,000, which is actually much interesting so far. That we have already seen like 4.2 rating already, and this app give you access to collect or request for a loan from 10,000 naira to at least 500,000 naira. So, and they also have low interest rate for at least 5% based on the package you actually choose, and you can actually select the exact month or week you actually want to pay back. So this is actually best for you to if you are requesting for a loan to sort out some bills and all, so you can actually request for exact time that you actually want to pay back. So that is actually left to you. Number 14, quick instant loan. This app have the lowest review on the platform, which is 3.0, and overall rating is 241, which is actually a new app, and people are not actually dropping a better review on this particular app, and that is the reason why it was rated low on Google Play Store, and you might actually be finding or trying to look for this particular app. So it will be very, very hard for Google to for Play Store to suggest this app for you, but it's actually a great app if you actually want to request for a loan on the platform. Number 15 on the list is Found One. Found One online loan app in Nigeria is rated 4.5 overall rating, and the total rating on this particular app is 2,000. And I guess this app is actually also a new app to collect or request loan online. So you can actually give this particular app also a trial if you actually want to collect or request for a loan in Nigeria today. And with all these 15 loan apps which I have mentioned in this video, the best one which I would decide to go on with are Branch, Fair Money, Quick Check, and some other ones that are rated high in this video. So apart from that, I'll also look for the lower interest rate app, which I have to pay less to request for high request of money. So it actually depends on you, on what you like, and the one you actually want to give a trial, or the one you are actually that actually suits your interest. So with all being said, you can actually request for any loan from any of these 15 apps, and you will get an instant loan from any of these apps. If you have any question regarding this video, kindly drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.